Quiet. Let's move now to the difficult round in our Bible drill. Difficult round. Okay. What is the verse that says, love is patient, love is kind, love is not jealous? What is the verse that says, love is patient, love is kind, love is not jealous? Okay? Basta may sagot na tama, pwede nang be specific. Be specific sa verse. Ano yung sagot? Okay, the correct answer is 1 Corinthians chapter 13 verse 4 to 7.
May correction ako pero okay na.
Next question. What is the verse that says, for God so loved the world that He gave His only Son. Whoever believes in Him shall not perish but have everlasting life. The correct answer is John 3:16. John 3:16. Next question. Difficult round. Ilan na ang matataas ang score? Yan. Yung wala pang mali. He is... sa akin lang ipakikita ha, walang magsasalita. Difficult round na to. Kaya talagang dapat may eliminated na yung mga hindi ano. Okay. Yung mga nasagutan nyo ng papel, ilagay nyo na sa ilalim. Yung mga wala pang sagot, yun ang dapat nasa desk ninyo. Okay. He is the wise king in the Old Testament. The wisest king in the Old Testament. Wisest king in the Old Testament is... Oy, wag kayong mangopya, wag kung hindi nyo alam, wag kayong magsusulat. Oy, dito lang humarap sa akin. Walang titingin sa iba. Okay, the correct answer is King Solomon. Next, number 18. Difficult round. Walang titingin sa katabi. Dito lang sa akin tumingin. Kasi nangongopya lang iba, yun yung hindi naman talaga alam yung sagot. Okay, dito lang ha. What is the 8th commandment of God? The 8th commandment of God. Isulat. 8th commandment. Pangwalong utos ng Diyos. 8th commandment of God. Yung pangwalo. Ano yung 8? Difficult round naman na tayo eh. What is the 8th commandment of God? Yung pangwalong utos ng Diyos. Ayan, sige. Aray mo. Sige. Pangwalo ha. Ano yung pangwalo? Pangwalo. No, wala. Oh my goodness. Pangwalo. No. Okay, no. Nobody got the correct answer. Mali lahat. Ang tamang sagot ay... Ano?
Thou shalt not disobey your parents.
Hindi. Yung...
Lie, cheat.
No. Huwag magnanasa sa pag-aari ng iba. Hindi steal. Yung...
Pagsasagwa sa iba.
Hindi. Yung huwag kang magnanasa sa pag-aari ng iba. Next question. Siyempre, difficult na nga eh. Okay, next number. Hindi. Number ano na? 19. Basta kung hindi nyo alam, leave it blank. Okay. This is the cousin of Mama Mary. Cousin of Mama Mary. Na isa siyang baog. Oy! Minus yon. Dinig na dinig. Okay.